XS21 was a super handy tool. However, it was a dashboard that just referenced stock screens. Starting at the top of the list, Applicant Summary, we can go to ASUM. Test Summary, TSUM. Institutions Attended Summary is IASU. Registration Person Entry can be found in RGPE. Active restrictions can be found on the PERC screen. Student academic credit can be found on STAC or TRCL. Financial aid status information is FASI. Intended transfer information is no longer used or collected. Student academic transcripts can be found on the STAT screen, STAT, or TRAN, TRAN. Retention Alert Case 2, Starfish. Support Services information has also moved to Starfish. Residency can be found on the SPRO screen, SPRO, or RGPE. The application can be found on ASUM. The student program can be found on SACP or SPRO. Finally, the student advisor listing can be found on SPRO or STAD.